Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 25th of March, Thursday 2021, and let's dig into the system. Let me share with you today's my analysis and best trade. All right, so just quickly recap traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and in the New York session. If you would like to know more about how I trade using this platform, including how I produced live intraday analysis to help other traders to bang the pips at the same time, please watch that video. A link is given in the video description. Let's move straight to the three major currency pair as we discussed yesterday. Let's see how we traded today. Okay, so as I mentioned yesterday, guys, that if the price is going to break the previous low and we're going to be taking a pullbacks, and that's what exactly we did today. All right, let me share with you today's intraday analysis. That's what we're watching for our. We know that the very strong bearish momentum and the trend. When we look at in the intraday, if everything is in a line, then we're taking positions. You can see as I mentioned yesterday about the sideways market in 4-hour, we have it, you can see in 4-hour, we have this consolidation, which in intraday, you can see this is the consolidation. And this is the analysis I did last night for the Asian session trader. We had a beautiful breakout after the breakout pullback. So you can see here, as long as the momentum is bearish, that's what I explained to trader, just keep taking pips on pullbacks. So we had such a beautiful last night trade, and I did another analysis today once this prices was about to break the consolidation, and that's what I explained to trader. As you can see, I did another analysis at the New York session that we already had this breakout. We have two pullbacks, so let's see if we can get another pullback because we are going towards the momentum and the trend. You can see here beautiful pullback as you can see here, and a beautiful price even broken this channel, and beautiful short trade on EURUSD. So bang, beautiful pips. So we had a beautiful short trade on EURUSD. So if you look at even right now, let me share with you guys even. Okay guys, so if you look at even now, you can see here we had this pullback, after that another pullback. So tomorrow, as you can see, we have very strong bearishness. So we'll see tomorrow if we see any. You can see that if the price is going good, this is the fib channel. We use it for overbought and oversold. But as I said to you, we only take counter long trade at this level if the price develop double bottom, and if the price break above this one, or if the price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, then we take this one, or if the price develop triple bottom, and if the price break, then we take a counter long trade. So we'll let you know tomorrow. So far momentum is still very strong bearish. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar, guys. Pound dollar, we had a very interesting trade this morning and this afternoon too. Okay, so if you look at the 4-hour, as I mentioned yesterday, if the price gonna break the previous low, then we're gonna be taking a short. Otherwise, if we see any pattern develop long, then we're gonna be taking. As you can see, we had it. We had a short trade, this and bang beautiful pips. Afterwards, when the price refused to break the previous low, and you can see here 3 fractal means 3 times price tried to break this level, failed. That's the 3 bottom, and that's why we took another long trade here this morning and bang beautiful pips. All right, let me share with you the intraday analysis on pound dollar. If you look at here, as I mentioned yesterday, last night, in my previous analysis, if you haven't seen it, watch that video. In link is given in the video description. As I said to you, that we are looking at first priority would be the pullback short. As you can see here, price nicely developed a pullback. This was the trade at the Asian session, and around in the morning we banked beautiful pips. And then I did another analysis 736 that would explain to trader that the price is developed another descending triangle pattern, because we were looking that if the price gonna break the previous low in 4 hour, and that's what we're gonna keep an eye at that time. When the price respect this level and price broken, we announced that it would be a counter long trade. And as always mentioned to my traders, the most safest trade once we get the confirmation. And if you look at here after the breakout, when the price confirm, at that time I broadcast that information instantly through live ID commentary. If you look at here, inverted head and shoulder pattern, that was a good sign for take a counter long trade. As always, the first target will be the first fib channel, which price nicely hit. So we had a beautiful long trade on pound dollar this morning. Again, we were watching in 4 hour these major levels, where we're looking in a high time frame price action. We did analysis in intraday and we taken a trade. So all these things happening in real time. That's what my intention to train trader in the real market. So you can see beautiful pips on pound dollar. Right, so then afterwards in the New York session, when the price develop another consolidation, that's what I explained to trader, look for this breakout. So you can see here we have another breakout, price still above this level. As we can see here at the bottom, momentum developed bullish. As soon as the price was reversing it, at that time we explained to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. All right guys, so this is cable. So let's see what's happening in 4 hour right now. If you look at here, if the price is going to break above the previous high, as I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We're going to be taking a pullback long in intraday. The first target would be, this is the weekly resistance, this is the daily resistance level. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this Bollinger Band, we're looking as soon as the price gonna hit this Bollinger Band other side. If the price gonna stay above the previous side, then we're taking a pullback long. If the price respect and develop any interesting pattern, then possibility of pullback short. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We look at here, and based on that, if we see any pattern develop, like for example here, if you look at here, the price is respecting it, so we can see here another pattern is developed. So we'll see if the price gonna break, retest, give us the confirmation, and if any interesting candle pattern perform in 4 hour, then we're taking a counter short trade. Otherwise, based on the momentum, if the price break above that level, as I mentioned in 4 hour, we're gonna be taking a pullback long. So we'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar. Let's move on to dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting trades too. Let's move into the 4 hour, guys. As I mentioned you yesterday, we had price nicely respected this level, and again we had another very small short trade, and afterwards we had a beautiful long trade. So we had a both short and long. As I said to you, we are intraday traders, so we're looking within this consolidation. If we see any perfect pattern in intraday, we basically take the full advantage for that. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD, and let's see, combined with the 4 hour. Let's see. Okay, so this morning, okay, this morning, you can see here 7:39, just before London Open, price developed this consolidation. You can see huge consolidation, you can see here, and that's what we explained to trader guys, look for. And this breakout, you can see here, price failed and nicely broken this, and the momentum was decreasing it, and we were expecting the price might gonna break at that level 100 EMA, and then we took a short trade as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. And then we explained to trader it's time to either bank some profit or move your stop loss to the break even. So we have this short trade here, and afterwards, as you can see here, nice reversal, price straight come back here, and that's why we came out at the break even. Then we explained to trader that look for another pattern. So again, as I said to you guys, I analyze market the New York session around 2 p.m. So you can see in 2 p.m. I explained to my trader, if you, which we explained that this is the false breakout, that's the good sign of the reversal. And a look at in the 4 hour, you can see the price is respected 100 EMA and the major support level 3 times. It's time to take this long trade, which we explained through live RG commentary. But as I said to you, I start 2 o'clock for the New York session. I did this analysis. I explained trader to either take pullback here or either pullback here. So what happened after that? You can see here such a beautiful pullback. So we had long trade. So we have both short and long trade on dollar CAD. As I said to you guys, all these things happening in real time. All the explanation is given in the real time to my traders, so at least they can understand. All right, guys. So that's dollar CAD, and the best trade we had today was in pound yen. That was a beautiful trade. Let me share with you the pound yen, guys, just to. All right, let's quickly. Okay, so you can see here when the price was at this level, as soon as this candle performed, we explained to trader take a pullback, and we had this breakout. After the breakout, I explained to trader just keep taking pullback long. Then I explained the first target 150, and the final target would be this level, which the first target nicely hit. And if I show you the intraday analysis quickly on pound yen, we had a beautiful trade. You can see here. Okay, this was the last night. You can see here, and that's what we explained to trader, right? Okay, first priority would be the pullback at this level. You can see we haven't seen any red candle at all, and that's what we explained. If you don't see the price respect, then if the price break after the breakout, if the price respect, you can see here, or pullback, you can see here pullback. And that's what we explained last night. Long trade, counter long trade, and then afterwards this morning, you can see here we have another beautiful triangle pattern is developed. Based on this pattern, we had a beautiful breakout. Afterwards, as always mentioned to my traders, pull back, then look this level, pull back. Beautiful long trade. And we also did analysis at the New York session. This was the analysis as explained. This was another small pullback, only few pips. And I also mentioned to traders to be careful if the price is refused to maintain above previous high, just get out. So we have only few pips, but again, part of the analysis, we had a beautiful another small few pips on pound yen. Then afterwards, as soon as the price reverse, and then I explained to trader, most of the traders was saying that I think the price is going to come down, and I broadcast this analysis straight away. I said, guys, don't jump into the trade if the price is until the price is going to come out this pattern. So I explained to trader, and that's what I explained to trader, if the price is going to break this orange EMA, then we're going to take a trade. Otherwise, don't jump into it, because that's why we're trying to control emotions. I say, guys, our philosophy is we're going to trade what we see it, not what we think about it. And that's why I draw this line and say, guys, don't jump into it until the price gonna break this orange EMA long, otherwise break out short. You can see what happened here. Price broke on this orange EMA, and beautiful. And that's what I explained to trader. 150 would be our target. If any pullback, long trade here. So you can see we had a beautiful long trade on pound yen. We also had all of the pips. You can see most of them bang beautiful pips. Beautiful pips. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoy all today's analysis detail. If you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4 hour analysis with the live updates come through live audio commentary. So even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry, we also provide full forex coaching and training. As always mentioned to traders, guys, my objective is to train trader with the live market. Whatever analysis you have seen, it is happening in the real time. So Most of the traders, if you know, taking benefit from the live intraday analysis, if they're not sure, no problem, they can just message me and I can explain them in the real on the time in real time, because that's the way you're going to develop your trading skills. So I produce all that information. There is a fundamental reason behind it, there's a technical reason behind it. So all that information is provided in real time. So even if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skills very effectively, very fast. Or even if you are an experienced trader, for you guys is amazing, because the thing is, this is 100% pure price action trading, and you're gonna love it, enjoying pipping alongside with my professional trader. As you can see, one of my traders bank 104 pips, beautiful pips. So that's what exactly in intraday, in and out, and bank beautiful pips. You can see here today, you know, in and out, you know, banking 104 pips. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to be seeing all this thing in real time, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe my this channel if you would like to see more tips in the future. I have a plan. Probably one day I'm gonna be doing it live show on the streaming. I think probably once a day on the YouTube. So most welcome to join my YouTube channel, and also my team if you would like to trade with us real time. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.